So hi everybody and welcome back to C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 314 and in this video we continue with our exercise and we stopped here at number 5, so we are here on number 6. You read here the question, answer as good as you can while you pause the video and then start the video again and compare it with my answer, and of course I paused not the video, and let's get into it. So you have to describe what this operator is called, so the technical word, and make again a code example. And I jump here to my answer now, and my answer is, you can see what is this called. This one is called the subscript operator first of all, and in this case where it is used with an array. So you can see when we create an array it looks most time like this, and here important is the difference about a subscript operator and the use with an array. Here we talk about a subscript expression, so careful about that, because why is this a subscript expression? Because now we have the subscript operator here, a variable name and an operand, right? So something like that. And then let's make here a code example, and you can see here a warning, because here the subscript expression can be L value or R value, depends on how you use it. But in this case, first of all, let's start with the L value, because we are here in the L value section. And here is a simple example. Here I make an array, house numbers is my variable name, and you can see I used here the subscript operator and with a range of 5, and here I initialize that with some values. Here we have an L value, but here I made you also an R value example. But here one more note why you can see instantly that this one is here an L value. First of all, we have a name, and the second hint is it's on the left side, because an R value should not be on the left side. So here R value example, but with the subscript operator, and here again I create here a new value, for example a variable name which is an int, and you can see here I take this house numbers here again, but what I'm doing is I add to the result of this house numbers a 5, so I have here a temporary value, and that's why this one is considered not this own, but the whole thing is considered a temporary value, and that's why it's an R value, because the result here is 7. Why it's 7? Because when I watch this one here, my second place, we start with 0, 0, 1, 2 is 2, and I add to it 5, so it becomes 7. And when I start this and the last line, it is, yes, it is so. And I hope you had a similar example, and with that said, see you in the next video, and like all time, have fun, never give up, and bye.